Hey, thanks for tuning to the channel today. Today I want to do something, kind of a quick video, but I want to take this Cardo unit and connect it to my Hero 12. I'm new to Cardo. I've only had the Cardo unit for a couple of weeks now, and I like it so far. But they have a feature where you can connect the Cardo unit directly via Bluetooth or wirelessly to the Hero 12. And if that works, that's going to be really a clean setup. You have a camera on front here, you got your Cardo unit on the side, you talk to your microphone, it sends the words to your camera, syncs up, clean, clean, clean. This is what I normally use. This is the Hero 12. I put the DJI Mic transmitter on top, run the wire from the transmitter to the back of the camera, and then I have the microphone that's attached to my helmet that I talk into, sends the signal wirelessly to the transmitter, to the camera, and it's all synced up. And it works pretty good. However, if this works, this is going to be really clean. Easy setup, quick and easy to use. You can use the GoPro voice commands, GoPro start recording, GoPro stop recording. It's going to be really cool. So let's go outside, let's go for a ride, demo this, and then we'll demo the DJI mic, see which one's better.
Okay, that was a long horn. Okay. Okay, I've got the Cardo unit on, and I've got the microphone. The Cardo mic that came with the PackTalk Edge. I'm just learning how to use the Cardo system. Kind of cool. They say if you use Cardo, you'll never go back to Cena. We'll see. So this is good. And then what I have this Cardo unit is Bluetooth connected to the Hero 12. And I'm really trying to see if the microphone connects to the Hero 12, if it's clear, if it works real well. So I'm going to go for a little ride and talk on this, my Cardo experience, and then I'm going to stop and switch out. What I normally use is the DJI mic, and I connect that, hook that up to my helmet, that's Bluetooth, and it does pretty good. But I like to compare them side by side. I'm going to go ahead and put my visor or my face shield down. And the microphone is about level with my lips, maybe an inch away from my lips. So there you go. So the reason this should be cool is this really works well for myself, and I'm a micro channel YouTuber. Communicate when you're riding to your helmet is really good. And this makes it very easy. This Bluetooth connection, if it's clear, it's a game changer for me. Otherwise, I put the DJI mic transmitter on top of the camera, run a cable, then a Bluetooth, it connects to my microphone that's in my...
Okay, this is test number 2 using the DJI mic. I've disconnected the Cardo from the Hero 12. So now the mic, the sound is coming from the DJI mic. This little transmitter sits on top here. It's connected by cable, hardwired to the camera, the Hero 12. And then we've got a DJI mic inside connected to these tie wraps. It works pretty good, actually. It's got a nice little clip that clips on there. So, and the microphone is very close to my lips, maybe a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch from my lips, maybe a ½ inch, maybe closer to ½ inch. So let's see how good this is compared to the other system. What we're doing now with DJI is typically really good. I don't have any problems with it, and it's easy to do. But again, it's about the weight of the camera in front of your helmet. This little piece here it weighs nothing, but the cable, the camera, I put it all together, it's probably 15% more weight on the camera, and there's just a little more pressure pushing down on the helmet, which isn't bad. If you watch my review on the Schuberth E2, which I don't have, they gave me one to do a review. I'll put the link below if you want to check out the Schuberth E2 helmet. It's a great helmet. This is Schuberth E1 in XXL, but I tried the Schuberth E2 in XXL, and man, it fit great. But that's a $900 helmet. But it's great. I love it. This is about 4 years old. This helmet here, it works, and we'll see what we're gonna do. But again, that weight, because the helmet's probably not a perfect fit, tends to pull my helmet down a little bit. Well, the video doesn't lie. Your eyes and ears didn't deceive you. This setup, when you're not riding works really well. It's great, right? It works fine. But when you're riding with the wind noise and all that stuff, it's not working. It's pretty irritating to listen to, right? I think so. So probably won't be using that. I'm going to continue using the DJI Mic Setup. It works well. It's good, and it works for me. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you're a moto vlogger, do things, let me know how you do your setup so we can all learn. But thanks for watching. Ride safe. God bless. Talk to you real soon.